You're watching Chasing Sunset's Top 5. Here are the top 5 budget-friendly travel destinations for 2023, along with tips on finding cheap flights, affordable accommodations, and activities that provide great value for money. Bali offers stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and lush landscapes at an affordable price. Look for budget airlines or book flights during off-peak seasons for cheaper fares. Accommodations in guest houses or homestays can be more affordable than resorts. Take advantage of free or low-cost activities like exploring temples, visiting local markets, and enjoying the beautiful beaches. Renting a scooter is a cheap way to get around the island. Budapest is known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and famous thermal baths. Look for budget airlines or search for flight deals to find affordable tickets. There are numerous budget-friendly accommodations, including hostels and budget hotels. Explore the city on foot or use public transportation to save money. Visit the thermal baths for a relaxing and inexpensive experience. Don't miss the free walking tours to learn about the city's history. Lisbon offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and great food. Look for low-cost carriers or be flexible with your travel dates to find cheap flights. Affordable accommodations can be found in guest houses or budget hotels, especially in the off-peak season. Enjoy free attractions like wandering through the historic neighborhoods, visiting viewpoints, and exploring the local markets. Don't forget to try the delicious pastel de nata, Portuguese custard tarts, at local bakeries. Hoi An is a charming town known for its well-preserved ancient architecture and vibrant lantern festivals. Look for budget airlines or search for flight deals to reach nearby Da Nang, and then take a short bus or taxi ride to Hoi An. There are budget-friendly accommodations available, such as guest houses and homestays. Explore the ancient town on foot or rent a bicycle to visit nearby beaches. Hoi An is famous for its affordable tailoring services, where you can get custom-made clothing at a fraction of the price. Kraków is a historic city with beautiful architecture, a vibrant nightlife, and a rich cultural heritage. Look for budget airlines or search for flight deals to find affordable tickets. Hostels and budget hotels are plentiful and offer affordable accommodation options. Explore the city on foot and visit attractions like the historic Old Town and Wawel Castle. Take a day trip to the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum, which provides an insightful and educational experience at a reasonable cost. Remember these general tips for budget-friendly travel. Be flexible with your travel dates to take advantage of cheaper fares. Use flight comparison websites and set up price alerts for your desired destinations. Consider alternative airports or connecting flights for potential savings. Look for affordable accommodations like guest houses, hostels, or vacation rentals. Opt for local street food or affordable eateries to experience the local cuisine without breaking the bank. Research free or low-cost activities, such as walking tours, local markets, or outdoor attractions. By considering these destinations and following the provided tips, budget-conscious travelers can have a memorable and affordable trip in 2023. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.